Each place has got its own culture, own kind of lifestyle, and if I try to copy Caribbean or if I try to copy Spain or Mexico here, it is not going to be successful, because the person who is coming from outside to see India wants to see Indian way of life, Indian ethos, Indian traditions, Indian culture, art, heritage, and I think that is our strongest point. And now we are trying to marry the tourism and this all art and heritage.
We want India as a destination to be on the minds of people. We have a target for 2010, that is 10 million tourists. And being a big country, we can absorb a lot more number of tourists than what we are experiencing today. We have a print campaign in the major publications of global publications. All the important magazines and the newspapers of the world we cover for our campaign. And for the TV, we have the major TV channels that we air our campaign, our CNN, BBC, Discovery, Travel Channel, National Geographic, or in the Gulf, the Al Jazeera. And the third media that we are adopting is the internet media, where we go to Google, we go to Yahoo, we go to Microsoft, and various different internet portals where we have our campaign throughout the year. In addition to that, we also do the billboards, especially at the important airports like Heathrow, Dubai Airport, and Changi Airport at Singapore, or Charles Zourage Airport at in France, in Paris, and Times Square, UK, US, where we put up our billboards for specific periods.
The rate of growth in tourism sector is more than 15% per annum. Domestic tourism is also going up, as well as the international tourism is also going up. Outbound tourist, the number is very high, and the civil aviation sector is also growing at the rate of more than 20% per annum. So in effect, I think the number of domestic tourists as on today, though we don't have any organized data as far as domestic tourism is concerned, but still, as far as we know, the domestic tourism in India, and particularly in our state, also is going very high.
The print campaign this year covers the colors of India. We have developed 12 creatives for this year's campaign, which talk about different colors. When we talk about Taj Mahal, we say pure white. When we talk about the lakes, we say these are mentioned as watercolors. In the last five years that we've rolled on this Incredible India campaign, India has become an important destination and is being rated as one of the top 50 destinations, number one top 50 destinations. That's what Condé Nast Traveler had to say, or the ABTA, that is the Association of British Tour Operators, mentioned in their campaign. The press space of France has rated the last year's creative of Taj Mahal as one of the best foreign creatives of the year. We've been winning accolades for our marketing campaign and Incredible India campaign, and India has emerged as an important destination, and which is reflected in terms of the number of tourists that have increased over the previous years. Last year the increase was about 14%, and this year increase is again about the same percent of tourists, 13 or 14%.